Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, everybody who's watching this awesome video today. Today we're going to do kind of different because we're going to do Jurassic World dinosaurs because it's Ashton's favorite, right? You like dinosaurs?
Yeah.
Okay. And my favorite will be blue, so we're going to do blue. So
my favorite dinosaur is Raptor, Pterodactyl, T-Rex.
And
good job.
And also we have Health Table Bluey and Dinosaurs. Also, you can also notice. And we're gonna start with the dinosaur Jurassic World, right?
Yeah, so we have 2 bags.
No.
Yeah, can we help you open that?
Yes, let's see. Ooh, it has a zip
Zip
tie.
tie on there.
Yep, and then when you're done, you pull
There
it
you
up.
go.
Okay. Okay.
Ooh, nice little bow. Nice little bow there. Ooh, looks like
Let
we
me
have. What's the first thing?
Yep, let me take everything off the bag. Here
There
we
you
go. Ooh, very nice.
Ooh,
Tin box
nice
you can
box.
reuse. Ooh,
Cut
has
this tape.
tape on the way.
There you go.
Peel it off the box. Ooh.
Oh, it's got a lot of tape on there. Look at that.
Ooh, a lot of tape. Include it on this box. The tin box. Ooh, look at this bottle. That's
So
a
there's
really.
the water bottle there.
Oh, it's so
water
small
bottle.
and cute.
You can drink out of.
That's Ashton's new bottle, right?
Yeah.
You like that? Yeah, I'm gonna see all
Look at
that.
that one. You
See,
like
that's
that one?
What dinosaurs are in there?
T-Rex.
And raptor. Ooh, that's some nice dinosaurs there. To make it look very fast. Okay. Oh, here you
Different
go.
full work too.
So,
We have our jumbo chalk.
and we also have 36 sticker box.
Our jumbo chalk. So the chalk holders are actually the dinosaurs itself. Well, let me open that up and show you guys.
Yeah, let me show you that this is the actually dinosaur sticker. Here, I got it.
Oh,
Ooh, these are cool stickers. Look at how long are these stickers. Are the same? I think they're different. Yep.
so the chalk comes in a little wrapper of dinosaurs.
And look at and these are the stickers. We got 2 sheets of stickers. I think yeah, they're the same. They're both same sticker sheet. Oh, and you can break them off into little smaller pieces. I like all these dinosaurs. Oh,
Ooh,
whoa, your bottle.
there it goes.
Okay, and this is
We have the last but not least.
oh,
More tape.
red plastic
have-
thing. We don't need anymore. Yeah, I'll put that away. Ooh, and look at this. Ooh,
Ooh,
let me stick
so
this.
much tape.
Lots
have
of
this-
tape on here, and this awesome dinosaur tin box.
Oh, I like that tin.
Has
That's
like the
beautiful.
baby raptors. Ooh, look. Ooh, that's very. Ooh, that's really cool in that side of that picture.
It has a jumping raptor. Looks like blue. There.
And
And the
the
Indoraptor.
and the front has all the dinosaurs.
Oh, it's like a dinosaur party.
And we have Stegosaurus and Triceratops in here. And in the top of the topper piece, it's a
T-Rex.
T-Rex with raptor blue and some pterodactyls flying in the sky.
And then we have this puzzle here. I'm not really sure if it's the pterodactyl or the T-Rex. So one of those probably comes. It might be the T-Rex here because it looks like it kind of has a puzzle shape with the
Oh, this has
little dinosaur
plastic
or
on
Jurassic
top of
World
it.
emblem.
Okay, now we're gonna start with my favorite, Bluey's. Actually, not just my favorite. Everybody's favorite. Okay. Ooh, okay. Now, let's get my awesome
Back, so you can
side.
get to the, this one's probably tape as well. Yeah, got a lot of tape too.
Oh, we
And we
need
cut it.
Super Daddy to help us.
Super scissors.
Super scissors. This will be our channel.
There's your water bottle. And there's my tape.
Here's my water bottle who doesn't come out. Ooh, this is one of my favorite, and then you only will get this water bottle in this set because I've been collecting Bluey bottles, and I had other episode I do dishes and silverware, and I do and I did cups and stuff, and this one will be one of my favorite ones. We have Bandit, Bluey, Bingo, Chili, Dancing. Oh, and a Bluey heart. And how do I open it? Oh,
Ah!
up. Ooh, that's so cool. It's kind of like the dinosaur. Is it the same size? Yeah, it's the same size. And it has like this, probably for making things easy to hold. Ooh,
Yeah,
let's
so
look
you
at
can
this.
hold on to it. This one's a little bit different. So this also comes with stickers. The box is a little bit smaller.
It is?
Yeah,
The box of stickers?
yeah, Ashton's is bigger. So let's see. Maybe there's less in this one. Actually, no, it's the same,
How many?
same size, right?
48. The other one had
48.
60, 60,
36.
36. This has 48.
Yeah, so that's a smaller box. Maybe the stickers are a little bit smaller, but they're still really
Ooh,
nice. So
I
these are
never
really
saw
nice
these stickers
yeah.
before. See, there are 2 sheets of stickers. See? Very nice. Ooh, I will save these on my little box.
And this one's a little bit different than the dinosaur one. This actually comes with bubbles.
That,
Nice little bubble container there.
instead they came with the chalk, right? They
Yeah.
embraced that as the chalk, right?
with the Bluey family
And
on
I
there.
also
It's
have
beautiful.
this.
Yeah, and we also have
Dinosaur.
we have this one, the bottle. I like the bottle for some reason. And we also have
Puzzle. This one comes with a puzzle.
we have
With a
this,
lot of tape.
and we have this.
I think this is the puzzle, so I believe it's on the back, the puzzles. So it looks like the Bluey family there. You got the Bandit, Chili, Bingo, and Bluey.
Okay, I'm on taping this box because they
With the little
seriously
hearts.
did a lot of tape on
You got
this.
the hearts all over there for
Okay.
Valentine's Day.
Ooh, this tape keeps sticking on me. All right, let's see how this box looks. So in the front has Bluey and Bingo. It says Bluey, lots of hearts. Here has, what is it? Oh, Bluey and Bingo
and
sitting
this box-
again.
And this box has another T-Rex.
Yeah.
Oh, you're putting stickers on your bottle. Okay. And this one is Bluey and Bingo once again. And Bluey and Bingo once again. And the top has, their backyard, hearts, Bluey and Bingo once again.
Yeah, these tins are beautiful. I love these
There was
tins. It's actually a decent
Becky-
size too. If you compare it
Brachiosaurus in
kind
this
of
box.
to us, our hands
Look, it
and
has
all
a
that.
Becky
It's actually a good size. You can put a lot of things in there, and it's beautiful too.
Is it the same size as the dinosaur?
And it's metal, so it's gonna last a while. You're not gonna really be able to break it like a plastic box or.
Ooh, same size. So
Yeah,
dinosaur and the Bluey one,
they're
same
very
size.
beautiful. I love those tins. That's my favorite part, I think.
I like the tins and the bottles.
Yeah,
Oh, and the
bottles are
puzzles.
nice.
Okay,
So we're gonna build our puzzles here. We got mine. It looks like a T-Rex. We're gonna find out what it is though.
mine looks like the family. Let's see. Ooh.
I'll do mine facing you.
Okay. Ooh.
It's already kind of together. That works though.
Okay, this looks like Bandit and Bingo. Just matched it off.
And almost got it here.
One more
One
piece
more.
for me.
One more piece for me. And we got a T-Rex. Oh, Carnotaurus too. Look.
Okay, so mine is Bluey's family here. Ooh, has hearts. And I like it. It looks like they're
Wow.
dancing. And here's a rose over here. And it says Bluey, lots of hearts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hearts.
Oh yeah, I
And
remember
that's
this one.
And that's the
too.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Yeah, T-Rex. You have Carnotaurus, Velociraptor, and Pterodactyl.
And yes, and this is really, really nice
Yeah.
for
so-
Valentine's. So if anybody's looking for a gift for a child, this will be a good gift for Bluey or a
Hey,
dinosaur
look
fan.
at that!
Yeah.
Another velociraptor.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Thank you
hope
for
you
joining us. Bye.
bye. I
Bye.
hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye bye.